Hi guys, this is Minsha Kapoor and welcome back to my channel. मैं एक हफ्ता भी वीडियोस नहीं बनाती हूँ ना तो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट मिसिंग यू गाइज आई मीन थैंक यू फॉर सो मच लव एंड सपोर्ट दैट यू हैव शोन ऑन माई लास्ट वीडियोज it means a lot to me. Alright, so today I am already decked up because today is a makeup related video. So since last 2-3 months I wanted to buy a really good foundation but I was just waiting and doing my research because एक बार आप फाउंडेशन खरीद लो और वो अच्छा ना निकले ना तो फिर मज़ा नहीं आता है. So recently I have bought this beauty. This is the PAC HD Liquid Foundation. I had heard so much about this foundation and when I went to the shop to buy a foundation for myself, that sales lady, she was really recommending this one out of any other ones, and even though it is not that expensive and others one really were expensive, but she told me that this is the one I should go for and people really love this foundation. And I just got attracted by the packaging. I mean, look at this beauty. There's hardly any foundation which comes with this type of packaging. So it has this protective cardboard box, and here we have the beautiful PAC foundation bottle. This is a 30 ml bottle and this foundation is supposed to give you a lightening, brightening, HD smooth look on your face. So obviously I have tried this one before and it was matching my skin shade and I really liked it, so I wanted to do a proper review for you all. So if you are looking for a good foundation to match your Indian skin, so let's go and check out how do I apply this foundation and how it sits on my face. My first step before getting ready is to moisturize my skin. So today I'm just using my everyday serum. I use this NO7 triple action serum. I had got this from Boots from an airport. So I am just going to moisturize my skin really well. जितने अच्छे तरीके से आपकी स्किन मॉइस्चराइज्ड रहेगी, your pores will hide and your foundation is going to glide on it. And also I just want to apply a little lip balm. This is one of my favorite Clinique lip balm that I use. Alright, I'm so excited now. It is time to test out this baby. Ooh, one more step before that. I have to apply this Perfect Makeup Base Studio Perfection primer. This is by Blue Heaven and I wanted to try a primer. I don't know if it works or not, but I have been using it and I really like it. So a primer usually has like a silicone type consistency and it is supposed to close and blur all your pores, and it is also, you know, just supposed to provide a smooth base for your foundation. So I'm going to just apply it where all I have some pores. So this Blue Heaven primer, the best thing is it is not at all greasy. It gives that really nice silicone smooth finish to my face, but I don't think it is that good in hiding the pores. This bottle comes with this protective lid which I really like. So you can just open up this lid and you will have your pump right here. And I just want to show you guys how the foundation is inside. So there's this long stick. जो आपका foundation खत्म होने वाला होता है, this actually comes really useful. So if you guys can see, it has a nice and thick consistency. It is not falling at all. So I'm using the shade 1.3. So if you have complexion like mine, this will go for you, but I still recommend you that you go and buy it and get your shade matched to your skin. Alright, so now you're just supposed to rotate it to open the lock. I really like that it has such protective layers. There's a seal, then you have to rotate it to unlock it, and then you can just take a pump of the foundation on your hand. So I've just taken one single pump really thick. So for you guys, first I'm going to apply it on half of my face so that we get to know that how much difference it really makes and what is the coverage. So if you guys have noticed, I've just used one pump and it has already covered my face, and I have so much left for the rest of my face. So that just means you don't need much quantity. So I'm using my Color Bar foundation brush to blend it. Do you people see the coverage? So this is said to be a medium coverage foundation, and you can always build it up. Wow guys, can you see how instantly it has brightened my face? So this side you can see all the pinkness, redness and the blemishes, and this side is nice, smooth and bright. Now if I want to hide these blemishes furthermore, let me take a little bit more quantity and try to build it up. Wow, that is a double layer of foundation. So guys, I really like the fact that it has given me instant brightness to my face, and also it is not greasy at all. So sometimes when you apply a foundation, your face becomes really oily, and if you have oily skin, that also impacts your foundation. But this has not made my face look greasy at all. So I think I can do without a compact also, but I will apply a compact in the end. Alright, now quickly I will just apply it on the entire face. You can also use a beauty blender if you require, or in fact simply you can just apply it using your hands. But I love using this brush, and I have not yet been successful using a beauty blender on my face. So let me know how has your experience been with a beauty blender, because mine has been really bad. Wow. Now my final thoughts on this foundation. I feel it is a little heavy, so it is not a very thin light foundation, but it gives you a decent coverage, and the best thing I like is that it has instantly brightened my face. So I've been using a lot of foundations, Garnier, Lakme, but they just appear a little streaky on my face, and I have noticed that this is not at all streaky on my face. Now that I'm going for a full glam, let me just apply a little bit of concealer under the eyes. So yes, you will require a concealer with it. I'm using my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. So a concealer will just instantly brighten your under eyes, and it will give a smooth finish to your face. Wow, I just love the blurry effect this foundation is giving to my face. It is so beautiful. I love its application, and I think I have found a new favorite. Now I'm just going to set my face using a compact. So this will just help in closing down any further pores. It will not let your foundation get creased at all, and also it will hide any oiliness on your face. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. So since last 2-3 months I was just using BB creams and CC creams because I was not able to find a perfect foundation for myself. But PAC foundation has hit the mark for me. I really like it. Alright guys, so I have done my entire makeup. I have done a very light rosy look on my face, and I want to give you guys my final thoughts on the foundation. So girls, I feel that this PAC HD liquid foundation is one of the best foundations available for Indian skin. It is available in 22 to 23 different shades, and you can get one matched as per your skin type. If you have a very oily skin, I don't think this will work for you because it is a very heavy base foundation. And if you have a very dry skin, I recommend you to moisturize it completely and then apply this foundation to have a long lasting effect. Now, anybody who has a normal to little dry to little oily skin, this foundation is really good for you all. It instantly just brightens your face. It has a smooth finish. It is not creasing at all. It is not showing any of my pores, and that was my concern before investing into a good foundation. Now you can get this 30 ml bottle for just 790 rupees. I had bought it myself from the shop called Beautiful in Bombay, but I just found out that it is easily available on Nykaa.com, Amazon.com, and even on Purple. So grab yourself a bottle of PAC HD foundation and thank me later. Now I'm ready for partying tonight. Let me know what are your weekend plans, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I put videos every week. I put videos related to fashion, to makeup, to food, to lifestyle. So it's an all-around package. So do get subscribed to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family.